Here we go, 4th graders, with your video for today. So, morning meeting, share a fun fact about yourself when you make your math video. Watch this week's morning meeting video. That video is right here. I will share my fun fact. I've been interviewed on the news twice. Writing, complete the video in form about sentences. So if you go down here, here it is. Here's your form. I have it open right here. When you watch this video, click that little YouTube link and that will make it bigger. Make sure you type in your name, and then you're typing in examples of sentences from the video, not just what the definition is for assertive or interrogative, but an actual example. Let's go back to the stream. Math. Oops, wrong name. Reading. Complete the video in form about prefixes from yesterday. So again, go to classwork, go right there. There it is. Please get that done. I'm giving you another day on it. Math, complete the Flipgrid. So if you click this Flipgrid right here, take you to here. Here's group 2. Here's 922 math. So what you are doing is holding up your math art picture, that one that I sent home of that building. Make a video sharing what math you saw, what patterns or shapes did you see, and then respond to at least 2 people. It could be more. And again, if you don't have that picture for some reason, I have it right here so you can at least look at it and share patterns and shapes that you saw. And then 20 minutes of Dreambox when you're done. And then again, here in your Flipgrid video, that's where you share your fun fact about yourself. I look forward to seeing your videos and seeing your work, and I will see you on Wednesday. Please contact me if I can help you.